Okay, we're working on the F-150 today. We're replacing the cabin air filter, which is a very simple job to do and necessary to do. Okay, you want to come into the passenger side. This is on. This works for the 2015 to 2020 F-150s. This is an XLT. So what you want to do, open up your glove box, take everything out of your glove box. Okay, what you want to do is you want to lift up. If you see right here, there's a little strut right here that's held in place. You just want to lift up the strut so that it's dislodged. Once it's dislodged, you can remove the strut and pull the glove box all the way down. Okay, once this strut over here is dislodged, you just want to get on this side and you just want to pull in a little bit, and there's a little tab right there that comes out. There's also a tab on the other side you need to push in to be able to drop the glove box down. As we remove this trim piece right here. Okay, just pull up on it. Okay, now you just need a 7mm socket. 7mm, both sides. Okay, now with just to grab it with two hands, and basically we're just pulling this plastic shroud. Alright, you just give it a pull. You don't have to disconnect. There's a wire on the back of this little button. You don't have to disconnect that. Just set it like that. And if you can see here, see that door that has the honeycomb shaped on the door? That's just the door to the filter. So all we have to do now is just take that door off, pull the old one out, put the new one in. Okay, just unclip both sides. Alright, you see there's our filter. We pull it out. And you see that's pretty dirty. They come white, so that needs to be changed. That has about 15,000 miles on it. So throw that away, put the new one back in. Okay, here's our new one. Just check out the link in the description for a link to a new one here. But airflow, if you see the arrows point up. Okay, we're just putting it in here, same direction it came. Now just snap the door back on. Okay, if you put these little hooks on the bottom first. Then just push the door back on. That's how it goes on. Now we just put everything back together. Okay, with the glove box down, you can see these little tabs. There's a little knob here, and there's a little knob over on this side, right there. There's a little, right below them, there's a little ribbed area. You basically just push those in on each side when you're lifting this back up. Glove box, you can just see it, just the notches in there. Put it in the big part, push down on it, and it'll lock in. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this was helpful. I'll leave a link in the description to the filter I used, and be sure to like and subscribe to the video. Thank you.